Okay, here I am at the traditional car wash, right? And it's very controversial topic, you know what I'm saying? A lot of guys be like, hey, do not pressure wash your motorcycle, right? And I get it, right? And I see why they tell most people to do the same, right? Because ultimately they're concerned about you pressurizing the wrong place, right? It's such a small vehicle, you can easily pressure wash the wrong spot and get yourself a little trouble. That's why they say that, right? But me knowing just a little bit, you feel me? And if you like me, man, you ain't trying to get all the materials just now. You need something quick, you feel me? This is where you come, you feel me? This is where you come. And they say it's not safe for the motorcycle. So guys, let me be the bait, let me sacrifice my bike. I love my bike. But I kind of know what I'm doing, right? So let me do it, and then if y'all want to do it as well, y'all can do it. You feel me? But let's get into it, man. Let's see what happens when you pressure wash the bike. Okay, is this working? Is this working? Okay, I thought they scammed me. All right, bro, I'm on a 5-minute scan. All right, I messed that up already. What we're gonna do is we're gonna do tire. We'll scrub her down, bro. We got 4 minutes. Bro, it just started on me. You feel me? It ain't even give me no warning, bro. It just started on me. You feel me? You know what I'm saying, bro? This what is this soap? I've never seen some yellow soap before. Hey, but yeah, guys, we getting all that right there. You feel me? We getting all the fender work right there. You feel me? Getting all the fender. Make sure we get those mirrors. We on the time frame here. Fender work. You know what I'm saying? So guys, all this plastic should be fine. Pretty much all the outside stuff here should be fine as well. This is just a cover. But you want to watch that chain though. You feel me? You want to watch the chain. You feel me? Just want to get the majority, you know what I'm saying? This is the brush here. And I'm sitting back on this thing, so we're not gonna touch up on the seat here. How many I got? 330? You feel me? 330? You know what I'm saying? You can touch all this up, guys. I forgot this last time. Let's go. Oh yeah. Yeah, you can touch all that up. You feel me, guys? Alright. You feel me? Alright. Let's not get too wet here. What's this baby do? I don't even know what that baby does. What? Okay, 3 minutes. I scrub it down a little bit more. Let's get the wash out though. This is what the video is all about. Alright. Oh, you gotta switch it. I'll be like, bruh, stop scamming me, bruh. What y'all doing? Alright, guys. This is the part people be talking about. See, and this one got a light setting. Right? This one got a light setting to it. Yeah, see, that's that pressure part. But we gonna get all that. You know what I'm saying? All that should be good. Hey, I'm not saying do this exactly. Like I said, I'm sacrificing mine. I love my bike. That's why I'm giving her a wash, you feel me? Cause I love it that much, you feel me? Alright. All this fender stuff right here. Go ahead and all this fender action. I got your fuel tank. See, and the keyhole is one of those spots. Like, ideally you should cover that, you know what I'm saying? And the electronics is another part too. I didn't rip my band off. So I'm definitely gonna cover I'm gonna do a light something, but I am gonna cover my keyhole. That's one of those things you should. I gotta touch up the seat now. All these electronics in here. Definitely. Oh yeah, the fuel tank, and I directly sprayed it. Oh, but you wanna, hey, cover up that fuel tank as well. You don't wanna get no water up in there. How many? I got 1:15. Okay, we chilling now. I did it, right? This is the majority. I just wanted to give my baby a little clean, little quick wash. So I'm power washing it for you guys. You hear me? You want to stay away from the chain as well. See, I'm not gonna spray. I was gonna spray it where that soap is, but nah, my chain there, man, it's greased up. You feel me? I ain't got no more grease for the chain. So that's got to go. But electronics, you know what I'm saying, stuff that's grease like there, you want to watch out for that. All right now. Okay, but I got 30 seconds left. Yeah. Now this is the high pressure part. See, I've been using the light setting. You don't even really need to use the rest of that. You know what I'm saying? Oh, I don't want to touch the chain. Tell you that. You feel me? Got about 30 seconds though. I need something to, I need a dryer though. That's what happened last time. I ain't have a dryer. Okay, we're done. All right. Just in time. Okay. Just in time. And as you can see, power washed it, put a little soap in there, brush, scrub it off. Looking great, looking great. And just for the sake of the video, you know, before I start drying everything off, hey, let's just see. I'm gonna go straight to it. And let's see, you know what I'm saying? Oh, turns on, everything. So it starts up, right? Obviously, I'm gonna let it run a little bit. Make sure everything is actually okay. Oops. I was thinking that was my, it started up again. That's good experiment, still started up again. Make sure both of all my electronics works. I just swapped whatchamacallit out. You feel me? Are we in neutral? Of course we are. Okay. And that goes to show, like I said, the major ones really, man, they be talking about is that fuel tank, which I sprayed over. I think it was a low pressure though, because some water can seep in there if the seal's not good enough. We got electronics, and obviously electronics are electronics. You get water on them, probably could fry them. Your chain is supposed to be greased. It ain't supposed to be really wet per se. It's supposed to be greased, you know what I'm saying? Can get a little wet, but it's supposed to be greased, you know what I'm saying? Spraying the case too much as well. Spraying the case and stuff like that, and the worst thing you can do, right, is get water in your engine or something like that, right? But I'm thinking these things, obviously, they're able to withstand rain. So, you know, as long as I don't use the high pressure setting, I can't really force water anywhere into that engine or transmission or something like that. But you do not want water inside your actual case. All that's in one case, so you don't want no water inside of those as well. So those are really the main ones. You know, and as long as you're avoiding those, you're not directly spraying it with high pressure, you should be good, guys. You know what I'm saying? It's been running for how long now? You know what I'm saying? A minute? Yeah, you should be good. You know what I'm saying? And like I said, hey, this was me. Hey, that do not mean it ain't gonna happen in your bike. You feel me? So you be very careful and do it at your own discretion. You know, your discretion is advised. Do it at your own discretion. I am not liable, okay? This is an experiment for y'all. And according to my hypothesis, everything is good so far. I know we got to ride it and stuff like that. But that's where this video go in. Hope to give you a little bit more clarity on the subject here, guys. And yeah, appreciate y'all for watching. I will see y'all soon.